Hey traders, TG Watkins here. Let's see, it's March 1st when I'm recording this, Wednesday, and just finished the Bear Bull Market Update webinar. Had a great time, had a lot of people in there chatting and saying great things about it, so really, if you guys haven't seen it, look forward to the recording that's going to come out. But you guys should be able to see that pretty soon, and we'll be making sure everybody else can see it out there. And remember, if you are interested in the Moxie trading room, you can get full access, $7 for a 30-day trial, and yeah, definitely look forward to seeing you out there. So some of the things that I've been seeing recently that I just wanted to highlight, I was having a session with the Moxie Traders specifically, and I was calling out the GDX trade. So right in through here, you can see on the 15-minute time frame that price started to engage with the 15-minute 50, which is very different than what we've been seeing. And you can see that the Moxie indicator has also been making new highs. This also is with the new Moxie Power Dots. That's a new addition to what we've been building with the Moxie indicator, and that is right there at the same time that price engaged with the 15-minute 50. So pretty good, small little trade right there. I do think that this is the beginning of some move. So I'm waiting for now the hourly chart to set up. And as far as that hourly chart setting up, look at this. We have price down. Moxie indicator has been moving up. So that is a form of positive divergence. We are also starting to see something similar in KWEB. And I called this one too. So we were talking about it yesterday, and I said, hey, this looks like a potential trampling move. That's when price is below the 50, but the Moxie indicator is above 0. And saying that that was basically a double bottom right there. You could also see the, again, positive divergence, price down, Moxie indicator up, and now this thing has bounced. Now, this doesn't mean that this is the exact moment to go long and that this is a new long swing trade. It still has some work to do, but I have a feeling that this is going to be the thing that really starts to kick in, and we just need now KWEB and GDX to kind of follow up on their moves, and I think we're going to start seeing some development on the bullish side in these areas. So keep an eye at it and see what you can do. And if you need help following along with this stuff, this is what you come and subscribe to the Moxie Indicator Mastery, trading room. And that's how you can kind of keep following along, because I'm going to be watching these things and seeing when we can find that proper entry. All right, everyone. Thanks again, and talk to you soon. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.